Welcome to the fabrication facility of TIGG LLC. Our 155,000 square foot plant is located in Heber Springs, Arkansas. At TIGG, we design and manufacture complete filtration systems for air and water purification, steel tanks, pressure vessels, and air handling units. Let's take a tour of our facility. Our tanks are made of various grades of carbon and stainless steel for numerous applications. Here's how we do it. Steel plate for vessel shell material is received to our facility and offloaded by either crane or fork truck. One of the first steps in the fabrication process is cutting the shell plate and heads. We use a CNC plasma cutting table for this purpose. This machine is programmed by our designers to cut the openings of the shell and heads for vessel accessories. Here, the plate material is loaded and positioned onto the table. Once both the steel and the torch are properly positioned, the operator begins the process of cutting the steel. The plasma table is capable of cutting through a variety of thicknesses of steel and stainless steel. After cutting the openings in the side shell, the plate is then fed into the plate rolls for rolling a cylindrical shape to form the diameter of the tank. This machine can roll plate up to 7/500ths of an inch thick. While still in the rolls, the shell is back welded and then moved to a welding station, where heads are fitted and tack welded to the shell, and fittings are welded in place. From this point, the vessel is moved to the submerged arc welding station to complete the longitudinal and circumferential welds on the tanks. At this point, the vessel welds are visually inspected for flaws or defects. After this step, pressure vessels are ready for hydrostatic pressure testing to make certain that there are no leaks in any of the welds. If the vessel is designed for an ASME code stamp, the hydro test is conducted under the supervision of our ASME code inspector. In some instances, the vessel's welds may also be subjected to radiography testing by an independent third party to meet ASME code or customer-specific requirements. Now, the vessel is ready for internal lining and external coating. Prior to application of any finishes, though, the vessel must first be properly prepped to accept the coatings. At TIGG, we use an abrasive blast to prepare the surface to develop the proper anchor pattern on the metal so that the coatings will adhere. Once the surface is prepared, it is quality checked to ensure that the anchor pattern meets the painting specifications. Now that the surface is ready, it's time to paint and line the tank. During the paint application process, coatings are measured via wet mill gauge. We can custom paint and line to a variety of specifications. It all depends on the application of our customer. The finished coating thicknesses are measured to customer specifications and tested for holidays or pinholes. When the finished coating is cured, dry film thickness is measured and recorded. For drinking water applications, the adsorber is subjected to a forced curing process to meet the NSF requirements for potable water. Detailed records of the temperature profile are logged and recorded by the quality department. Many of our tanks are sold as filters, so they require special internals to direct either liquid or vapor flow through the vessels. When used as filters, TIGG also provides and often preloads the tanks with appropriate filtration medium. Various types of activated carbons, ion exchange resins, stratified filter sands, garnet and anthracite, and many other materials can be provided, depending on the nature of the contamination. TIGG ships equipment all over the world. With our state-of-the-art equipment and our central location in Arkansas, we can provide the right product for your application at a very attractive price. This 14-foot custom vessel is being shipped to a municipal customer for potable water treatment. We hope you'll consider TIGG for your next pressure vessel or treatment system project. For more information on our products, services, and manufacturing capabilities, visit our websites or call www.tigg.com 724-703-3020.